What's up guys, it's Crypto Tamilan here. So I've put together a very special video for you guys entitled What is Bitcoin Mining? If you have been keeping close tabs within the crypto space or may have heard about this cryptocurrency called Bitcoin, then I'm pretty sure the term Bitcoin mining comes along with it. And there are many people out there who are wondering what is Bitcoin mining. If you are one of those persons who is wondering what is Bitcoin mining, then stay tuned till the end of this video to learn exactly what is Bitcoin mining all about. So, unlike precious metals like gold and silver, Bitcoins are not mined using picks and shovels. They are extracted from the Bitcoin protocol called blockchain, where blocks of Bitcoin transactions are verified and validated by miners using specialized mining equipment called ASIC mining hardware. The most state-of-the-art mining equipment that is currently used by some of the top miners in the world are called ASIC 9 and miner mining hardware. Now, Bitcoin mining is not a cheap process, and the most efficient and profitable way to do Bitcoin mining is by involving or doing it via a mining pool. To give you a better context of what is Bitcoin mining all about, here's a graphical explanation that will give you a crystal clear clarity on what exactly Bitcoin mining is all about.
What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin operates as a peer-to-peer network. This means that everyone who uses Bitcoin is a tiny fraction of the bank of Bitcoin. But where do Bitcoins come from? With paper money, a government decides when to print and distribute money. Bitcoin doesn't have a central government. With Bitcoin, miners use special software to solve math problems and are issued a certain number of Bitcoins in exchange. This provides a smart way to issue the currency and also creates an incentive for more people to mine. And since miners are required to approve Bitcoin transactions, more miners means a more secure network. The Bitcoin network automatically changes the difficulty of the math problems, depending on how fast they're being solved. In the early days, Bitcoin miners solved these math problems with the processors in their computers. Soon, miners discovered that graphics cards used for gaming were much better suited to this kind of math. Graphics cards are faster, but they use more electricity and generate a lot of heat. The first commercial Bitcoin mining products included chips that were reprogrammed for mining Bitcoin. These chips were faster, but still power-hungry. ASIC, or Application-Specific Integrated Circuit chips, are designed specifically for Bitcoin mining. ASIC technology has made Bitcoin mining even faster while using less power. As the popularity of Bitcoin increases, more miners join the network, making it more difficult for individuals to solve the math problems. To overcome this, miners have developed a way to work together in pools. Pools of miners find solutions faster than their individual members, and each miner is rewarded proportionate to the amount of work he or she provides. Mining is an important and integral part of Bitcoin that ensures fairness while keeping the Bitcoin network stable, safe, and secure. For more information about Bitcoin mining, visit bitcoinmining.com.
There you go. I really hope you have learned something beneficial and many new informations regarding Bitcoin mining, and that your questions and doubts about Bitcoin mining has been cleared. If you would like to find out what are the legitimate Bitcoin mining platforms that are available out there, how you can get involved in Bitcoin mining and earn Bitcoins in a sustainable way, then make sure you check out the video that I've previously put together entitled The 3 Key Strategies of Earning Bitcoins Legitimately. If you would like to get a personal consultation on anything regarding Bitcoins or even Bitcoin mining, then feel free to contact me, as I will leave my contact details down in the description below, and I will do my best to help you in every single way possible. If you really like the content that I've put together in this video, then make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fun and informative content coming your way in due course. So once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Crypto Tamilan signing off for now. Take care guys. Peace.